again today. Today is a very exciting day. As you can see, I'm in the kitchen, okay? And you may be wondering, why is she in the kitchen? What has that got to do with wellness? It has a lot to do with wellness. To start with, wellness, eating food, what you take into your system has so much to do with if you're going to be well or not well. It has so much to do with your wellness. So your wellness, we can say, starts from your kitchen. Okay, so today I'm going to be giving you a very special recipe. All right, now this meal has been said to be junk food, has been said to be not healthy, and then people who try to lose weight, they try to skip it and all of that. But trust me, this is very healthy, and I'm going to be showing you the native way of preparing it. Now you may be wondering, what is this special meal? It's simple. Shawarma. How to make a healthy shawarma. Now this is going to blow your mind. This is something you are going to love, you're going to enjoy, okay? Trust me, it's healthy for you and it's very good. So stick with me, watch this video to the end and enjoy every single bit of it. After putting your beef, you add your pickles, your tomatoes, your parsley, your onions, and your paste, your dressing made of sesame paste and lemon and garlic. Yum yum. Yeah. And you roll it up like that. Whoa, the chef has done it again and put the second one in. Voila! That's how it goes, people. Wow. Finish.
Close.
Close. That's how it goes, people. Yeah. Those are all the yummy ingredients used for your shawarma. Your original shawarma recipe. Not restaurant shawarma. So, wow, so check out our homemade shawarma. Whoa. Can you hear the sound?
Don't let your video...
Once more.
Don't let your video stop.
Yeah. Once more. We fill the bread. This time is double bread, not just one layer, two layers. Yeah. No.
They will last me. Okay.
Once again.
You like pickles, right?
Yeah.
You like it?
Add your pickles. Add your tomatoes. Yeah. Ooh, second shawarma ready. Add your tomatoes, your parsley. Next, remember your onions. See guys, doesn't take so much. All it takes is just your regular vegetables, then you add your paste. Yeah, just drop your paste all over. sesame paste with garlic and lemon.
You see, normally this is how they do it.
Yeah.
See, one bread
One
goes.
bread goes.
See, the second.
Oh wow, that's why it's tight. It doesn't loosen
Yeah,
like that.
it doesn't lose.
Okay, wow.
You
So
see it
you
now.
roll it one way,
Yeah.
you roll it the second way. One way in, one way out. Wow. This is amazing. You can still eat your pickles by the side with it if
Whatever
you
you need.
want.
Onions, tomato, pickles, whatever you want to shower.
Bon appetit! Hi guys! So, how did you enjoy that trip? I took you on a whole journey on how to prepare a very healthy shawarma. I hope you enjoyed it. Well, if you did, try it out. Okay, try it out. Do your own. Add something, remove something. If you're not used to any of the ingredients there, you could replace it with something else, something that your taste buds are more used to. But I must say, keep it healthy. Okay, there's the tendency to want to add a lot of cream and make it very yummy, but you see, that's where you're veering towards unhealthy. Okay, especially if you want to lose some weight. So I'd like to see your comments. I'd like to see how yours turned out, and I'd like to hear your feedback in every little way. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Until I come your way next time, stay healthy and stay well.